Hello everyone and welcome to the How Do I Do It channel. Now I bring you more than a tip, and advice on how to give more and better uses to your waffle maker. Whether because you ran out of gas or you are in a hurry, and need to make a quick breakfast for you and your children. And that it is more consistent, and not just a bread with jam or something like that. With this tip you can prepare a complete breakfast in minutes, and without dirtying many dishes, since everything will be done in the waffle maker. Since as you see it usually has 2 or 4 spaces to make the waffles, and that is where we will put everything we are going to prepare, which in this case will be scrambled egg, a waffle, a sausage, all at the same time. Let's see how it is done. We turn on our waffle maker so it heats up. In this case mine has an indicator that tells me when it is ready to put the waffle mix in. I suppose that the same with the simple ones, they will have a similar indicator so that they know when to add this mix. In this case, I am going to put scrambled egg alone, but you can add mushrooms, ham, sausage, vegetables, or whatever you like best. You just have to season it before, that is, add salt and pepper or some other spice that you want to add, and just beat it so that everything mixes perfectly. Apart from the egg, we are going to put a sausage to fry and a waffle that in this case is already made. But if you have the mix already prepared beforehand, you can add it at the same time, and it will cook the same as if you put it alone. You have to have a little almost melted butter to put it on the surface of the waffle maker, so that apart from nothing sticking, it gives it more flavor. Once the indicator lights up, and it's ready for us to add all the ingredients, we spread the surface with butter where we are going to put the egg, which in this case, since there are 2, it will use 2 spaces. Then we apply it generously on both the bottom and the top. We do this because even though it's Teflon, sometimes it sticks. So apart from preventing it from sticking, it gives it more flavor since it's butter. In this case, it can be butter with, or without salt as you prefer. We also move on to the part where we will put the sausage, and since on this occasion, the waffle is already made, it is not necessary to put butter in this part. Only if we made it from the mixture it will be necessary to put a little. We take the waffle or the mixture that we have made and put it in the space that we have designated for it. We add the sausage in the other space to brown, and finally we add the egg, distributing it evenly to the 2 remaining spaces, so that everything cooks at the same time, and thus we save time, and do not dirty more dishes than the fresh water. Try not to overflow because it will swell, and may come out the sides. Once everything is in place, we close the lid and wait a few minutes for everything to cook at the same time. As you can see here, I had to put a handle because the lock on my appliance broke, but you close it normally, and it will be perfect. Once the necessary time has passed, we lift the lid, and we can now see that the eggs were made in the shape of a waffle. Then your children will love it because they will think that all their breakfasts are waffles, and let's be honest, who doesn't like them? The waffle is now hot and ready to serve. And the sausage is also perfectly browned, and the best thing of all is that it is made with almost no fat. You can put butter or not, but since it is Teflon it does not stick. So this way, it will be even healthier than if we made it with a frying pan with oil. I will leave the eggs a little longer since I like them more golden. But that is up to you, and how you want to do it. The time has passed for them to be more golden. We just serve them on the plate where we are going to put them, and as you can see they come out easily without sticking at all, and believe me, they taste great. As you could see, in just a matter of minutes we have a complete breakfast with a waffle, eggs that on this occasion were only scrambled, but as I told you before, you can put mushrooms, sausage, ham, vegetables, bacon, in short, whatever you like. And we also made a golden sausage with almost no fat, and the best thing of all is that we didn't dirty many dishes since everything was done in one place. And we can add more immediately because it's Teflon, so nothing sticks to the surface, and so we can make several breakfasts quickly and easily. The only thing left to add was the maple syrup, and it's ready to enjoy freshly made and warm. As you know, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, share it with all your family, friends, and acquaintances, like the Facebook page, and check out the other videos, as I assure you that some of them will be very useful to you. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tip useful and liked it. As always, see you in the next videos. Thank you.